Hello, I'm Kate, Youth Development Worker at Together 2012, and for this year's Disability History Month Festival, I'm going to be bringing you a series of family craft activities you can do together at home. Our first activity is making a paper lantern, like this one here. For this, you will need plain or coloured paper, colouring pencils or pens if you want to draw a design on your lantern. I've drawn a scribble design, a pair of safety scissors, and some sellotape, or you could use Pritt stick. So first of all, I'm going to draw my scribble design onto the paper. Next, cut a wide strip off the top of the paper to use as the lantern's handle. Just going to pop that to one side. Flip the paper over and fold. Now you want to cut some fairly thin slits in the paper from the folded edge about 3/4 of the way up the paper. Make sure not to go all the way to the end, otherwise you'll have lots of strips and no lantern. Open it up, roll the paper to meet up the two ends, and sellotape. And there's the body of your lantern, and the final part is to attach the handle onto the inside of your lantern, which is a bit fiddly. Let's see how I go. Yeah, that's one side done. And the other side. And that's how to make a simple paper lantern. You could really go wild decorating these, string them up as a garland, and use them for any festivals or celebrations you may have.